Folks, this tree really kicked our butt. We assessed this tree twice, and from all indications, it was going to be a pretty easy tree cutting. It was straight up. It had one limb hanging back over us that wasn't real big, and then the top of the trunk from that point went out the other way, so we thought we would get a good wedge in it, drive in some wedges on the back, and get it to tip on over. But this thing wouldn't give up. And as you can see, if you've made it this far, this is a complete circus, actually. It's a clear indication that you should bring your equipment with you. If we'd have had the skid steer with us or the tractor, we would have been able to get it over. But we beat and banged on this tree for, I don't know how long, until it finally got down to about an inch of hinge wood, and we just kept beating on it and had multiple wedges in the back of it, and it finally tipped on over. But it did whip us. But if you've made it this far, thank you for watching, and hope everybody has a great day. Well, it finally decided to give it up.